In the name of Almighty Allah, so today we will discuss lecture number 18, and the first one is draconian. So its meaning is very severe or cruel. So draconian laws are mostly applied during dictatorship or totalitarianism in previous time or in Middle Ages. So there was draconian laws. And next one, incineration. So the meaning of incineration is the act of burning something completely and reducing it to ashes. So in Hinduism, the dead bodies are burned in incinerator. So in incineration, the dead bodies become completely reduced to ashes. Next one, laxity, a lack of strictness or care. Next one, reeling. So spin around, spin or viral. Next one, transaction. So its meaning is contract, treaty, bargain, agreement, dealing. Next one, avarice. So greed, rapacity, avariciousness, and strong desire to have get money. Next one, legacy. So something inherited from predecessors as a heritage. Next one, reason datory. So the most important reason or purpose for someone or something. Next one, exacerbated, aggravate, complicate, worsen. Next one, imperative. So something which is very important. Next one, emulating. So its meaning is imitate, copy, mimic, mirror, follow. Next one, judicious. So its meaning is having or showing good judgment. Next one, peril. So its meaning is a hazard, eminence, menace, danger, risk. Next one, ominous. So its meaning is sinister, alarming, threatening. Next one, inextricable. So closely joined or related. Next one, travel. So difficult experience or situation. Next one, eviction, to force someone to leave a place. Next one, echelons. So its meaning is rank, position, level, standing. Next one, bartered. So its meaning is exchange goods without involving money. So majority of the trade between Pakistan and Islamic Republic of Iran are through barter system between Pakistan and Iran at border. Next one, colluding. So to work with others secretly, especially in order to do something illegal or dishonest. Next one, stark. So its meaning is complete or fully. Next one, deterred. So to discourage someone. Next one, inhibit, or to prevent something from happening. Next one, lobbies. So group of people who try actively to influence legislation. So majority of the Jews in United States are doing lobby for Israel. Next one, viable. So possible, realizable, workable. Next one, so in order to solve the issue of Kashmir, so there is a need of viable solution. Next one, entrenched. So its meaning is embed, ingrain, implant. Next one, hostility. So its meaning is bad blood, bitterness, grudge, enmity, animosity. Next one, indignation. So its meaning is madness, inertness, rage. Next one, heightened. So to magnify, amplify, deepen, enhance. Next one, retrogressive. So its meaning is something which is going from better to worse, deteriorate. Next one, vellum. So a character who does bad things. And last one is palpable. So obvious and noticeable, sensible. So it's all for today. Thanks for watching Dawn Times. Thank you and stay blessed.